Perfect. This is Yash yet again at the Startup Markham, and I have a wonderful friend with me today who's building a startup in women's safety. So let's hear directly from her what she's building. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, Yash. Hi, my name is Srushti Sharma, and I'm the founder of Shakti Wearables. Shakti Wearables is India's first street smart product startup. So, in very simple words, we are a defense company, and we make safety wearables for women, for kids, and we are recently creating a lot of wearables for the defense and Indian Army. That's what we do.
Perfect. I think this is definitely a product which there was a huge market, right, for that. Would love to hear a little bit about for our users a little bit context of why you actually thought to create a product specifically for women in army.
Sure. So I think let's talk about women's safety first because unfortunately I know it's a century-old problem. But data की बात करूँ तो हर 16 मिनट में एक रेप केस होता है.
Right.
So that makes all of us wonder that everybody is doing everything, but why still the data is actually that bad? So that was an alarming situation for us. As a serial entrepreneur, this is my third startup, and as a woman and as an entrepreneur, I just felt that if we are able to leverage technology to find solution to one of the biggest problem of this country, it's going to be great, and that's how we started. So very brief on the product, we've actually invented India's first women crime preventive wearable. It's a wearable that has been created with an intention to prevent eve teasing, rape, acid attack. Let's not get into the problem. We do have pepper sprays and SOS app in the market, but with due respect, या तो वो non-feasible है या time taking है. तो मान लीजिए if I'm carrying a pepper spray in my bag, it usually takes time during an emergency कि मैं बैग खोलूँ, पेपर से निकालूँ, यूज करूँ, उतने टाइम में क्राइम कमिट हो जाता है.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's where we wanted to create a product that allows anybody, a man or a woman, to react within seconds. So that is where this wearable comes into picture. You can wear it like any normal watch. And for example, in this case, a woman is traveling alone at night, and you feel there's a possible threat to your safety. You just have to press this button. It activates 3 features simultaneously. तो सबसे पहले तो बहुत जोर से अलार्म बजेगा ताकि आसपास के लोग अवेयर हो जाए कहीं से आवाज आ रही है, somebody needs help. आप जहाँ भी खड़े हैं क्लोजेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन पे अपने आप आपकी लोकेशन चली जाएगी and your location also goes to your friends and family. And the third and the USP is non-deadly electrocution. अलार्म बज गया, पुलिस को लोकेशन चली गई, बट हेल्प आने में टाइम लगता है. तो उतने टाइम में खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए when you press this, some electrical waves get generated here. So if you're wearing it and say I come with an intention of attacking you, you just have to place this dial with the skin of an attacker for 1
like
or 2
this,
seconds. Right? Absolutely. So wherever there's a physical touch, it electrocutes a very powerful yet a non-deadly electric shock that can lower down the other person's nervous system for 5 minutes. So again, unfortunately, you have to electrocute the other person to buy 5 minutes in emergency to be able to escape from that situation.
Absolutely.
That's what we do. Yeah. So that's our patent technology. And using the same technology, again, the army wearables and other things is an extension of this tech that we have.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So can you please elaborate a little bit on the problem statement itself? Because like you shared, there are a lot of, like you shared, a lot of pepper sprays available. A lot of apps are also being built, right? I think Ola, Uber and all these sort of
apps exist.
Yeah. They can also, supporting a lot of women's safeties.
Sure, I think as moral responsibility, a lot of us Indians and startups are trying to do a lot, the best that we can. So as you very rightly said, there are a lot of SOS applications, but again, the problem remains the same. Even if I have an SOS app or any wearable that allows me to just send a location, my dependency of my safety is onto somebody else. What if they don't come?
Yeah.
So that is where the entire question comes in, and that's the reason the crimes are still not reducing. They're actually on an increment by 23% year on year. So that's where we realize that we have to have something, any gadget that was the initial idea, that actually women can have. And the idea with Shakti is, so Shakti means power.
Yes.
And Shakti is name of Lourdes Durga, and this is the Navratri time. So I think it's the best time that we are pitching in here. So yeah, and that's exactly what the idea is, for a woman to have something that allow us to react. Unfortunately, electrocuting, but yeah, just having something that buys you 5 minutes within emergency is what we're trying to do.
No, absolutely, because like you shared, in cases of emergency, 5 minutes is a lot of time, right?
A lot of time. With acid attacks, we always talk ki if I had 2 seconds, I would have just lowered down my head, or I would have just gotten to know acid piece chala jata. So that's where every second counts during emergency. That's exactly what we're trying to do. We're trying to buy time basically.
Absolutely, and I think even though as a species we are evolving and whatnot, right? The tech is evolving, but I think these incidences are still increasing day by day, right?
Absolutely.
So
absolutely.
Due to this unfortunate nature, I think these startups absolutely serve that product market fit, right? Any last tip that you would like to share to our audience? Of course, women.
Sure, I think we are an organization. Again, although we are a tech company, but we have created with very pure hearts and with a lot of hard work for the women of this country. So we do need your support. So the best you can do is if you could just share our social media handles. You can
absolutely.
find us on Instagram and at least let us know what exactly do you want so that we can keep on innovating. And your feedback is the most important thing for us and for any startup again.
Perfect, perfect. And
Yeah.
last thing, any feedback that you might have personally got from women who are, might have faced all these kind of, maybe catcalling or some other things. What is the best feedback that you're mostly getting? Are they?
Sure.
Yeah, we'll love to hear about that as well.
Sure. So for us, I mean, it was a complete 3-year evolutionary journey. We had the initial prototype in 6 months. And I think the one good thing that we've done is that we've repeatedly gone to our customers and asked them what exactly do they want.
Yeah.
So all the features that I'm telling you is not the idea that we had on the
day
whiteboard on day
first.
one.
Absolutely.
We wanted to create something very different. So then we went out, and that is when women started telling us. And again, the major feedback, let me not divert from the question, is that although it electrocutes the other person, will I be safe? I hope I don't get the electric shock.
Yeah.
And we got this feedback 1.5 years ago. And that is where then we had spent the next 12 months in cracking this technology. So now it's self-electrocution proof. So if you are wearing it, you will not get electrocuted.
Can you share a little bit more about the tech as well? How does the tech work?
Sure. So we basically have 2 techs, and that's the exact global patent that I'm talking about. One is finding this optimized value that solves the purpose also and is non-deadly. Because I'm sure the closest that you've heard of are taser guns.
Yeah.
The reason they're banned in India is because they end up killing people.
Oh, wow.
So our entire time actually went into finding that exact value, doing a lot of trials. I mean, I'll share some videos. Poor chickens, we were doing electrical testing on them to really see what's the right kind of figure. So cracking that optimized non-deadly electrocution technology is the first patent that we have. And second is avoiding self-electrocution. Because electric current is electric current. It doesn't know if it has to electrocute you or to
the
me.
other one, right.
Exactly. So that's the second thing that we've been able to crack. And that's the second patent that we have.
Perfect. Last question for you would be, does the future for Shakti look like? Because the feedback from what I am hearing is that I think a camera could be installed in these watches as well, or maybe some way to record the person so that they could be potentially, taken up in court as well.
Absolutely.
So we'd love to hear your thoughts.
Absolutely, absolutely. So right now the idea is pretty simple to kind of launch the initial features, the product that we have. But like any other technology company, we do intend to keep on innovating. So as you very rightly said, we have a lot of feedbacks. Why don't you say install a voice command onto it?
Yeah.
Or why don't you add onto a camera? But right now I can't do that because it's going to increase the cost and then again more time into R&D that we don't want to do it. But absolutely, we, as I've said, the reason that we want people's feedback is to kind of improve and integrate and launch bigger visions. And for the organization, in a nutshell, if I have to tell you, then the idea is to create non-lethal weapons for the Indian Army. That's what we aim to do. We have started with women's safety. It's a very big challenge that we've taken on. But maybe 10 years, 20 years down the line, you will see us trying to serve the Indian Army as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again.